Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we will learn about application for remission of absence fine. The principle. Hera school and college Dargai. Subject. Application for remission of absence fine. Respected sir, what due respect. This is to inform you that I live at a distance of 5 kilometers from my school. It was raining very heavily on the 10th and 11th of this month. I could not come to school, nor I could send an application. Now I am required to pay a special fine of 10 rupees per day. Therefore, kindly remit my fine for my absence. Was due to no fault of mine. Your obedient student. Name Date 2020 12 16. Class and roll number. Tab here. Teacher, wine and channel. Subscribe it and click the bell icon. Thank you.